Yeah.
Have you ever thought about stopping?
Occasionally, the thought crosses my mind.
What would be a factor that would weigh in on that? Like, what would be a moment where you would consider such a thing?
If it ever gets boring, the whole thing about why even do this in the first place, right? It's got to have a degree of like fun. It's got to be fun, right? It's got to be enjoyable. If it's not, then like, what the hell am I doing? There was a time like a few months ago when I was publishing like 2 videos a week, like a little bit more than I felt like I should have, right? Normally I just like, I'll publish something, I'll make a video on something I'm interested in. And then I felt a little, like for the first time, I felt a little bit of pressure. I'm like, I should put something out right now because I can, right? I can put out a video, but I'm like, I kind of have other stuff to do. There's other stuff I want to do. I want to spend time with my kids. I want to go biking, whatever it is, right? And it's like, and then I put out a video and I did that for a couple weeks. And then I thought, what am I doing? I'm putting too much juice into this YouTube. So I dialed it back a little.
But not to stop completely. It's like, this is something that you perceive as being a part of your life for the long haul?
Maybe. I'm a very big believer in like things can change in an instant.
Absolutely.
Right? And I don't get worried about that stuff.
No, I'm not worried about it either. I actually find it kind of like, it's a funny thought for me to imagine all these old old dudes doing, it's like, what is the right
Just the idea of like old me and old you and like old Marquez, like, we're still talking about the iPhone 17.
It's possible. It's certainly possible. I just don't know what the optimal window is. Like, I'm not sure.
Dude, you got to exit when you're
you don't have to.
No, you have to. For self-preservation, any self-respecting person would exit any platform. They'll know.